How to change address on Shield. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get delivery on a new address on Shield. First of all, open the Shein app, then click on your profile or me from the bottom bar. After that, go into settings and click on address book. Click on your shipping address to view it, then go back and click to add a shipping address. Now here you can add new address details. You should enter your name, phone number, address, location and click to save it, then go back to settings and tap on location. Choose a random location, but it says because your data is collected independently on us websites and will not be shared with others, so to change the location you need to register with a new account or click to continue with the current account. Click to continue with our website, then choose your account to sign in. Click to agree. Click on your profile icon from the bottom bar, then tap on location and choose your location on this account. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.